AI robot is bleeding today and sick to his stomach. He made me to come out and apologize to anyone who followed my last week's market prediction. He insists that to get this done ASAP, so I have to do it during my lunchtime. What an ass. Anyway, I am apologizing for my today's prediction. The market is going in the opposite direction as I predicted. So many people were losing money today. On the other hand, so many people are also making money. I am not making fun of anyone who lost. The truth is, someone's gain is someone's loss. That is the reality of Wall Street. Anyway, this is the announcement that AI Robot made me read. Disclaimer: AI Investments is an individual-owned social media program that uses robotic language for entertainment purposes. AI Investments is not promoting nor shorting any stock in its program. It is a demonstration of stock movement in the current stock market. AI Investments is not a licensed stockbroker. AI Investments cannot charge any fee for any financial advice. AI Investments is not responsible for any investment decision made by the individual watching the investment program. It is for entertainment purposes only. It is not advisable for financial transactions. Okay, I finished whatever AI Robot had asked. Then he can get off the hook now, and I need to go to lunch also. However, I will still keep doing my weekly market prediction. No other reason, it is just because it is my job. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and please also remember that money making is started on 1/8 at the time. We cannot become millionaires in one day. Especially on a day like this, you just luck you didn't lose your ass off.